My dear old friend, I am writing to you today from a crucial moment in our history. The dark clouds of war loom over our nation, and it seems like we are surrounded by adversity. As I prepare to address our country, I want to share with you a message of resilience and resolve. The enemy is relentless, and their forces are powerful. They have already conquered several nations, and their advance seems unstoppable. Our situation appears dire, but it is in these darkest hours that true courage is born. In my heart, I feel a fire burning, an unyielding determination that fuels my resolve. I see the faces of our brave soldiers, ready to defend our shores. Their spirit inspires me, and I know that together we can face any challenge. In my speech, I will speak of our resilience, our ability to face adversity head-on. I will tell the world that we shall not surrender, that we are ready to fight, even on the beaches if necessary. Our strength as a nation lies in our unity, in our unwavering belief in our cause. Though the road ahead may be treacherous and the odds may be against us, I have faith in the indomitable spirit of the British people. We will endure, we will prevail, and we shall never give up. My friend, I wanted to share this message with you because I believe in the power of friendship. Together, we can find strength in each other and overcome the challenges that life presents us. I hope these words remind you that no matter how difficult things may seem, there is always hope on the horizon. Thank you for your unwavering support, and please keep the faith. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields, and in the streets, we shall never surrender. Yours faithfully, Winston Churchill.